perfect day for the road. The blue sky will take us home. We'll take it easy, we'll take it slow. It's a good day for the road. And time goes so fast when you're with the ones you love. But I won't worry today, even if time flies away.
It's so quiet. Except for the airplane. But other than that, we're good. It was heavy snow yesterday, so I took the opportunity today to come out when everything is still untouched. There's nothing better than this. Alright, let's continue. I've been walking for about 30 minutes now, so it's getting a little bit warm, so it's time to ditch the middle layer.
Diamonds shine on the snow. My guitar's asleep on the backseat. I'm following the river to another show. It's a perfect day for the road. And time goes so fast when you're with the ones you love. But I won't worry today, even if time flies away.
We're stopping for a short coffee break, and then we're gonna start heading on back. It's been a long day, beautiful hike. So happy that I took the time to just get out here and enjoy the little things. all, I just want to say thank you guys so much for tagging along on this day hike. I know that there's been a lot of reviews lately. I thought that why not just go out and actually use the gear and not talk about it. Today I started thinking about, why am I doing this? Why am I hiking? Why am I going on adventures? Why am I going out into the woods and the mountains and so on? One of the reasons is I like the planning. I like the looking at maps, thinking about where am I going. Like the gear, talking about the gear and testing out the gear. I really like when you're going out on a hike, and if you start it, you gotta finish it one way or another. If you're going back, well, you still gotta walk all the way back in most cases. I really like the sort of little community we got going on here, sharing my adventures, my experiences, and hearing your guys, your feedback on the videos and on the adventures and on the gear, what your opinions are and all those things. Really appreciate that, and that's why I take the time to answer everything. Together with you guys, hopefully we can inspire someone to get outside, get out there, see the world, experience the nature, the world around us, and realize how important it is to us, and that we gotta take care of that. Today I got a message from my mom. I told her I'm out in the woods doing a hike, and she asked me, like, how do you have the energy for that? And that's the thing. It's this is where I regain my strength, or regain my energy, or get my energy from. I mean, for today I think I walked around 15 to 20 kilometers, and it took pretty much the whole day. Physically I'm exhausted, I'm really tired, but mentally you walk around with a smile, and you just stop and enjoying the silence, and just looking around, smelling, even if it sounds weird, but yeah, just looking around, enjoying the world around you, and I get a lot of energy from that. I also think it's important to disconnect from everything else and just get out there and just have some you time for a little bit. So with that said, I wanted to ask you guys, why are you doing it? What's in it for you? What do you like? Do you get energy from it, or is it something else? Really keen on hearing your opinions on that, so please let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be sure to answer it. Alright, it's getting late. It's about to get dark pretty soon. It's time to go back, pick up Albert, and continue with everyday life. Thank you guys so much. If you want to see more, you can follow me on Instagram. The link is somewhere here. Please subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments down below, and I'll answer it. And yeah, I'll see you guys for a review or something like that in the next video. Take care, guys.